So in a matter of minutes, you can get backing vocals. All you need to do is use Ace Studio, and I've got Ace Bridge here. I'm going to show you how to quickly use it to get backing vocals, and they're going to sound amazing. So the first step is to open Ace Studio and then to use the VST plugin, which allows you to connect to Ace Studio in Ableton. You're going to make sure record is switched on. You're going to send the MIDI to one of the track singers. So in Ace Studio, you can see the first singer track is, well, just this female singer. Then you're going to make sure you get the vocals from the master. If we just quickly listen to this part of the song here. We're going to isolate these chords here, because in those chords we've got the MIDI that we need to make the backing vocals. So we're just going to copy that and bring that into the Ace Studio MIDI track. As you can see here, there are multiple MIDI notes. So all we need to do is click on this record button. Make sure we record polyphonic, which is more than one MIDI note at a time. Send the MIDI singer to track 1. There's 4 tracks here. We're going to use all 4 of them, and we get the vocal from the master. But right now, we're just going to record this MIDI into Ace Bridge. Okay, so that's all we need. And if we go into Ace Studio, you can actually see that all 4 tracks of MIDI have been recorded, and you can see that they're actually not all the same because each of the tracks has different MIDI notes. So once you've done that, you're going to click on AI vocal, and you can just get the vocal here from the master. So let's just take a quick listen to how they sound. We'll just solo those. Da, da, da. So by default, you get da da da's like that, but I actually prefer r's. So let's go in and change the da da da's to r's. Okay, that's a lot better. So now let's listen to that with the track. Let's add some reverb. So once you're happy with that, freeze and flatten the track, and then just use those background harmonies wherever you need them. You may need to tweak or customize them slightly to your own needs. As you can see here, in less than a couple of minutes, I've actually created these backing vocals which fit perfectly with the song because they're using the same MIDI as the rest of the song.